Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we are going to use words as bridges, connecting our ideas. That's what words are used for. In this lesson, you will learn how to use clues around a hard word to find its meaning and use transitions to connect ideas clearly and powerfully. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's activity 1, notice and wonder. Here's our warm-up activity. The classroom was filled with loud chatter. However, when the teacher walked in, a hush fell over the room. Again, the classroom was filled with loud chatter. However, when the teacher walked in, a hush fell over the room. Now, notice what happened to the noise in the room. Wonder, what does a hush mean based on what changed? And the bridge, however, signals a flip. Something is about to change. Turn and talk to your partner about this statement, and we will recap in a little bit. Okay, so did you get a chance to notice what happened to the noise in the room? Yes, in the sentence it states, the classroom was filled with loud chatter. So the classroom was loud. And however shows there's going to be a change in the event. So when the teacher enters the room, when she walks in, a hush fell over the room. That means the room became silenced or quiet. Good job. Let's keep on going. Hunting for context clues. The same strategy. S is for synonym, a word with the same meaning that is nearby to the word that you are looking for or that you find difficult in your passage. A is for antonym, an opposite meaning that gives a hint. M is for meaning. A definition is built right into the sentence. And E is for example. Clues are listed around the word. She showed great accountability by admitting her mistake and fixing it. Admitting her mistake means taking responsibility. Let's keep on going. Transition words are road signs for your brain. Cause and effect, keep going. Therefore, because, as a result, consequently, these words show cause and effect. Contrast, turn around. However, but, on the other hand, instead, these words show contrast. Try it. Marcus forgot his notebook. Blank, he had to write on binder paper. Which transition word fits best? Turn and talk to your partner. We will check your work in a little bit. Now that you have had some time to turn and talk and jot down some quick notes, what do you think is the correct answer? If you said as a result or therefore, then you are correct. Marcus forgot his notebook. Therefore, he had to write on binder paper. Or you can say, Marcus forgot his notebook. As a result, he had to write on binder paper. Great job. Let's keep going. Talk Lab, your voice matters. Here's something fun that I want you to try. Line jump. Jump if you think consequently means something happened because of a choice. Either or. When a paragraph uses however, is the author adding more of the same or changing direction? Use your movement votes to defend your thinking. Your reasoning is the answer. Activity 4, My Path Challenge. Now you are ready for your next set of activities. You can do silent reading on any learning website or free online reading websites. You can work on your iReady to level up, and you can go on the Gimkit arena. Now you're ready for your exit ticket. Type your answers in the Google Classroom comments section. 3, transition words that show a change or contrast, for example, however. 2, context clues you can look for when a word is unfamiliar. And 1, complete sentence using a transition word to explain why honesty builds a strong community. And now that you have done all of that, let your light shine. Honesty and accountability are the structural flow of an honorable life. When you write with integrity and speak with respect, you build an unstoppable foundation for your future. Please remember to let your light shine. Let your light shine. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.